Hello, welcome to another video from me. In this video, you can do metal plating at home using simple materials. Connect the charging cable to the copper wire and cover the joint with tape. We separate the detachable part of the soldering iron. This is where the solder wire melts. We scratch its surface using sandpaper. We rotate the soldering wire around a rod so that it becomes like a spring. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and supporting me. And we connect the prepared spring to the copper wire. In this part, we connect the negative pole of the wire to the rod. You prepare a glass of room temperature water and add salt. If you want to get better results from this test, you can use purified water. Connect the cable to the charger adapter. We put the negative and positive poles that we made using the tools into water and salt. As you can see, one of the poles starts boiling. After a few seconds, the color of the liquid changes, and this is a sign that the liquid is ionized. And in the end, you see that the experiment worked, only now we need to clean the layers formed by the sediment to determine the result. We remove the excess water using a tissue and separate the formed sediments using sandpaper. And at the end he sees how the solder rod is shiny. I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for your support.